How to add Klarna to Shopify store. So hello there and welcome back to another video. So to add Klarna to Shopify store, first of all, you have to head over to your Shopify admin store, and then here you can see the settings option at the top left bottom corner. Here you can see this option. Tap onto settings, and there you can check out this payments option. Simply tap onto payments. After tapping onto payments, here you can see this add payment method. You just simply have to tap onto add payment methods, then tap onto the search by provider and search up for Klarna. Let's search up for Klarna. Wait. um Here we can see this Klarna. Just simply tap onto Klarna and then add it to your Shopify store very easily. Now tap on install and install it up and then add it to your Shopify store. So this is as simple as that. So if this video is helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. See you on to another video. Goodbye.